Turn it off.
Do you want to show them your hair?
Who's this for?
I don't know. I just felt like doing it.
Show recording.
Huh?
Who's recording? These things.
It's just...
Put me in
What'd you
a
go out
bowl.
and look for, Mom?
Yeah, I walked down this way.
Oh,
I needed to
okay.
walk, and I was worried about her. She's
Okay,
soaked.
so I assume your father did not catch up with you.
Yeah, he did. He went to get a paper.
All right. Ugh. Ooh. There's Anya's obscene snowman. Probably can't see it, but there's a layer of blood, or artificial blood, stage blood, whatever you want to call it, underneath that snow. Because she did it yesterday and applied blood to it to make it look like a dead hobbit. And yet that doesn't surprise me. And there's my... That started out as a snowman, but the second layer collapsed, so I just made a damn mountain. That's what I'm good at. Very noticeable crater. Why I'm obsessing over this? I don't know. I don't care. We weren't even supposed to get this much. Happy New Year's Day 2004. Now look at this tree. What are you doing? Breaking up the supposed ice. There's just a thin layer.
Oh, it's just on the surface.
Why is the ice brown? Oh, the dirt, right?
Probably dirt. Where my duckies at? Whoa.
Poor baby duckies are underwater. Well, they're dead. And it started snowing again.
Yep, it started snowing on us when we came back.
The birds are out trying to pick up food. Huh? Again?
Yep.
Ooh, look at that. And of course the willow on the backside. Whoa. Get a view from across the street. Whoa. Home sweet home. Surprise, surprise, he's not the one taping this time. I see you found him. Anya called after you left.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Battery all charged up?
It seems to be. There's no E or anything.
Cool.
Been taping for about 10 minutes.
Well, that battery's only a year old, so it should be okay. I just ordered those online, because you can't find them around here.
Caffeine?
Yeah.
That poor obscene snowman. Can't see the blood on it anymore.
Here, Nate, you behind me.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom.
But you're getting a paper.
In here.
What else did you buy?
Eggs.
What, you're out of eggs already?
My 3 eggs in there. I only have 3 in there. Switches.
Rose cold. Okay. Let's roll really slick out there on the street.
Yeah.
How is it out on Stark?
It's slick.
People are driving
It's
without chains.
ice.
They're making it, but you know, what cracked me up. There was a four-wheel drive Subaru, an old junker, going down the hill, and I walked across the street and I watched him go down the hill, and it was making all kinds of weird noises, right? Anyway, the next thing I see is the guy backing up the hill, going backwards down Stark.
Anya said there was a lot of cars that couldn't even make it up the hill. She said she'd stay with Aubrey.
Well, that was nice of her.
Yeah.
Okay, my shoulder is hurting like fuck. These are our crazy neighbors. I don't remember which ones. We have a lot of them. Okay. Well, this I had to do. Say hello, Angel Blue. Ugh. She's winking for the camera. Had her about 1.5 years. Another stray that Jezebel brought home. Speaking of, she's still with us. Okay, backyard shots. I can get this door open.